Meaning of dunce.
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 Dunce. The word dunce is used to describe someone who is slow to learn or lacks intelligence. It typically refers to a person who is considered foolish or stupid. The word has its roots in the name of John Duns Scotus, a 14th-century theologian who was known for his complex and convoluted writing style. Over time, his name became associated with stupidity, and the word dunce came to be used as an insult to those who were perceived as unintelligent. In modern times, the word is often considered to be derogatory and is not generally used in polite conversation.